22 die-cut moleskin pieces are included per sheet, each specifically shaped to fit common blister areas. Moleskin immediately reduces friction, keeping hot spots from developing into blisters. Apply moleskin to problem areas before you begin hiking or as soon as you feel friction on the trail, and blisters will be a thing of the past. Pre-cut shapes and sizes for quick and easy application. Larger oval shape pieces include pre-cut inner holes for creating a donut for the blister. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my army soldiers' feet. Definitely appreciate the different sized precuts. My son was in Army basic training and desperately needed blister relief. Usually you have to cut your own moleskin, but at basic, they are not allowed scissors to do so. He said this product gave him total relief.